Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows you how to work the Blip-Free left-leaning double decrease. It's called a double decrease because it reduces your stitch count by 2 pairs of stitches, reducing 3 pairs of stitches into 1, and of course it leans to the left. The first thing to do is insert the tip of your right needle into the first stitch with its yarn over, the third stitch with its yarn over, and the fifth stitch with its yarn over on the left needle, missing out the second and fourth stitches entirely. Then I'm going to slide the left needle tip out of all 5 of these stitches with the yarn overs, and the second and fourth stitches will pop free at the back of the work, like so. And slide the left needle tip back into those 2 free stitches with their yarn overs before they go anywhere, and you've got the 3 knit stitches with their yarn overs on the front needle and the 3 purl stitches on the back with their yarn overs. The next thing to do is, using the tip of the left needle, I'm going to slip the first stitch with its yarn over purlwise through the back leg from the right needle to the left. That means going around the back of the stitch and in towards you. And then I'm going to do the same with the second stitch and the third stitch, all purlwise through the back leg with their yarn overs as well. Now I'm going to insert the tip of the right needle into the front of just the first 3 stitches on the left needle, missing out the yarn overs this time completely. You see it's just the stitches on that front needle there. I'm going to slide the left needle out of all 6 of these yarn strands, and then I'm going to pop it back into just the 3 yarn overs like so. That has separated the stitches from their yarn overs, and it means we can now work the decrease with them separately so the colour blips don't get in the way. Now I'm going to slip these 3 stitches purlwise this time back from the right needle to the left. 1, 2 and 3. The next thing to do, using your knit coloured yarn, is to knit all 3 of these stitches and all 3 yarn overs, so 6 strands all together. I'm going to knit them together through the back legs like so. Then I'm going to work the yarn over manoeuvres by taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front, coming between the 2 needles. Then I bring the knit coloured yarn to the front as well, also coming between the 2 needles. Now I want to work the decrease for the back. I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle into the back of just the 3 stitches without their yarn overs, ignoring the yarn overs completely. You see it's just the stitches on that back needle. I'm going to slide the left needle out of those 6 strands and then back into 1, 2 and 3 yarn overs like so. That's again separated the stitches from their yarn overs. Now I can slip the 3 stitches purlwise this time, 1, 2 and 3, back from the left needle to the right. Now using my pearl coloured yarn, I can purl into all of these 6 strands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using my pearl coloured yarn there, purling all 6 strands together just through the front legs as normal. Taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work to complete the manoeuvre, we can have a look at what we've done. On the front of the work there, you can see these 3 converging lines of knit stitches all stacking up on top of each other, leaning over to the left. No blips at all, no colour blips there at all, because all the yarn overs have gone to the back of the stack. And on the other side of the work, the exact opposite is true. These blue stitches all stack up, leaning over to the right, and again no colour blips in there because all the yarn overs have been sent into the centre of the fabric. And that's all you need to know about how to work the Blip-Free left-leaning double decrease in double knitted brioche.